Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating dinner. Meron tayong masarap na sinigang na beef ribs. So yummy talaga guys ang ating food or yung ating ulam para sa ating dinner today. Mag-prepare tayo ng ating mga ingredients. Hugasan natin ng mahiging ating beef and yung iba pang mga sangkap. Gagamit tayo guys ng ating pressure cooker. Magad tayo ng maraming sibuyas, konting bawang, maraming loyak, kamatis, konting green chili. So nagad tayo ng pamintang buo, konting star anise, bay leaf, cloves at lemongrass. Salt and pepper to taste, and antayin nating maluto ang ating beef or lumambot ito. And pag naluto na ay magantay ng ating mga gulay. Meron tayong eggplant, okra, and litos. Maglagay din tayo ng ating sinigang mix. Napakayami talaga guys ng ating special sinigang na beef ribs at marami tayong mga fresh gulay. Antayin lang natin maluto ang ating mga fresh gulay. Mapaparami talaga tayo ng kain nito at napakayami ng ating special sinigang na beef ribs meat with maraming gulay at mag-ready lang tayo ng ating lagayan at i-transfer natin ito. Gagawa tayo ng napakayami healthy avocado smoothie and meron pa itong assorted nuts and nagad pa tayo ng ating butter. Gawa tayo guys ng ating cold drinks. Meron tayong blender, magad tayo ng ating oats. Napakaganda ng oats guys para sa ating hearts. Meron tayong powdered milk. So yung ating avocado, good for the heart din guys kasi meron siyang omega fatty acid. Nagad pa tayo ng ating cashew nuts, pistachio nuts, and almond. Superfoods, yung ating dates, napaka-healthy din nito guys. Meron pa siyang peanut butter and yung ating mineral water. I-blend lang natin ito guys at meron na tayong napakasarap talaga and healthy avocado smoothie with assorted nuts and peanut butter. Gagawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. Meron tayong apple tea. So nagpakulo lang tayo guys. Nagad tayo ng 5 parasong cloves, yung ating tea seeds, pamintang buo. Papakulo lang tayo guys and nagad pa tayo ng turmeric powder and pressed mint. Food is ready for masarap na dinner. Kaya tayo guys, mapaparami tayo ng kain nito at napakayami ang ating food. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. And you can also subscribe too. Kain tayo guys, let's enjoy the food and thank you so much for watching.